Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are still standing in front of this Sarracenia chamber here because I am working down here today and thought I would bring you guys along. So I did some recent upgrades, and basically we have the original section of the Sarracenia chamber. You can see here a few thousand little Sarracenias growing out, and we have the new section of the chamber here. So let's go in here for a second. And I just wanted to show you guys my new light that I got. So I'm using a light meter here. Sorry, I don't have the tripod with me, but we are at about, I don't know, 1,000 foot candles just under these lights. 1,300 foot candles when you go between the two. There's two banks of 4 fluorescent tubes there. So anyways, things are doing quite well under them. But I expanded the grow section not too long ago. You'll see these seedlings are a little bit younger. But I used the new Mars Hydro TS1000 light that I got a little while back. I've been so busy this spring, I haven't had time to do much with it. But check this out. The light increase is tenfold. So I was getting just over 1,000 foot candles. Now I'm getting 4,000 foot candles if I angle this just right. Or go up a tiny bit. There's 4,200. So I'm getting about 3.5 times the light over 4 fluorescent bulbs. Just amazing. And so the really amazing thing about this light, I'm going to come out of this grow chamber now, is it is just a beautiful light. So this is the Mars Hydro, hopefully you can see this here, TS1000. It's light and little, and it actually is full spectrum under there. So everything shines true. I don't have that purple color for filming or for anything like that. The light is so bright. It is on the outside of the grow chamber compared to the fluorescent that are inside, right? And it's throwing off 4 times the light, so I'm expecting amazing things. So yeah, there's the 2 shop lights there, and this light over here. Even just looking at the light, the quality of the light looks so amazing. I believe it was about 3,500K, so quite a crisp white light. These are just natural daylight bulbs here, and they are a little bit whiter, it seems to my eye. So yeah, the TS1000 from Mars Hydro. It claims it's 1,000 watts. I haven't hooked it up to a voltmeter yet to see what the actual draw is, but I believe it's going to be only a couple hundred, if that. Ballast is on the outside, unlike the other Mars Hydro lights that I have. Now I did find it does get quite hot, so I have a little electronic cooling fan sitting on top of it. These fans, I get them on Amazon as well, and their whole job is just to cool this down. I found it got hot enough not to be concerned with, but definitely wouldn't want it inside my little Sarracenia chamber here. It would be like touching a faucet with hot running water on it. So like when the pipe gets hot sort of thing at the sink, it's pretty hot. If you were to keep your hand there for a while, it would burn. So now you can see with this little fan on, it's cool to the touch and running really nicely. But yeah, so that is just, I was so blown away by this. I wish I had had a chance to get this going earlier. I'm going to put a link to in the description to this light, to Mars Hydro, to the TS1000. And yeah, I want to thank them for the light. It's just amazing. And now I just have to get their grow tent set up. But again, it's summertime and I'm just so busy. Haven't even been making videos, I've been so busy. So let's get another look just inside here. Really, it is just a beautiful, beautiful thing. What will eventually happen is these tall plants over here are going to have to get switched around because they're going to have so much more headroom under this light. But yeah, simply amazing. So as you can tell from this chamber here, you're probably going to be seeing a lot more Sarracenia videos in the future. And yeah, there's some cool ones coming up in here. Some Flava rubicorporas right here. Really nice stuff. You don't get the true light because it's like, it's really dark with the yellow lid there, light with dark, or cherry red with the yellow. The light is kind of skewed. It's so bright. This one here is a nice, looks like Atropurpurea, very red on red, and yeah, all kinds of stuff is growing in here. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. Thank you again, Mars Hydro, for this awesome light. And man, this is mind-blowing. I want another one of these to put on this first section over here. I had to remove the tin foil because I had it all reflecting in there, right? But I couldn't have the tin foil on top of the roof because the light's now shining through. And that's okay. I don't need to reflect any extra light in here anymore. Whew. That's not going to be a good view for you. But anyways, first looks at this light, just amazing. I absolutely love the color it throws off and how bright it is. Just simply amazing. If you're growing carnivorous plants, this thing should be plenty light for you. Plenty light for orchids, stuff like that. I don't grow any of the higher light crops like tomatoes and stuff like that. So this light for me is just absolutely amazing. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Check out this light on eBay here. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.